Children, have you taken your breakfast? Children, do you like to draw the diagrams? Yes, you like very much to draw the diagrams, no children? Yes, today's session we are going to draw one interesting diagram, that is traffic light. How many colors it has? 3 colors. Did you see the traffic light, children? Where did you see the traffic light? Yes. On the bazaar, no children? Yes. Okay. Now let us learn how to draw the traffic light, children. Yes. Take the things needed. I will tell you one by one and arrange them handy. I will tell you one by one. Arrange them handy. Take pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, one bottle cap or 1 rupee coin. Okay, one small scale and white book or A4 sheet or one science HW. Will you take all these things? Will you draw the diagrams? Yes. Take all these things. Yes. Take pencil, eraser, sharpener, one small bottle cap or 1 rupee coin, okay, scale and one white notes. Okay, children, and colors and are crayons. Okay, colors are crayons. Shall we start diagram? Okay, you two take things. Take scale. Take one long scale, amma. Draw straight line like this. Draw one straight line like this. Okay, draw one straight line like that and one more straight line. Okay, draw one more straight line. Okay, follow me, children. Follow me. You to draw like this. You to draw the diagram like this. Yes, 2 straight lines. Okay, and take one small scale. Take one small scale. Join them. Join these 2 lines with a small scale like this. Okay, up and down. Okay. Okay, you to draw like this. Join them with a scale. Okay, one rectangle box is ready. Okay, draw a half circle like this. Draw a half circle like this. Draw a half circle like this. Okay. Okay. Take a bottle cap. I taken one bottle cap, but you have to take water bottle cap. Okay. You have to take water bottle cap, small cap, and draw the circles like this. Draw the circle like this. Keep the bottle cap properly. Okay, draw a circle like this. Yes. Yes. And draw one more circle. 3 colors, no children, it had 3 colors, so that's why you have to draw 3 circles. Okay, draw one more circle. Yes, like this. Okay, and draw another circle. Draw another circle like this. Okay children, circles are ready. Okay, now circles are ready, no children? Yes. You have to draw small circles children. Okay, and draw like this. Above the circle you have to draw small lines like this. This side one small line, this side one small line. Yes. Again second circle. Go to second circle. Okay. Keep the scale straight. Draw like this. Okay. Third circle. Now draw one straight line near the third circle like this. Okay, and yes, now draw like this. Okay, this side also like that, same. Okay, draw like this. Is it clear? Is it clear children? Okay, now arrange one stand. Arrange one stand here. Arrange one stand here, ma. Okay, draw like that. Okay, now it's time to fill the colors. Okay, this first circle you have to fill with red color. Okay, red color. Red color light tells us to stop. If you see the red color, you have to stop. Okay, use red crayon or red color. Red color crayon or red sketch or color pencils. Okay, use red color, amma. Red color. Okay, red color light tells us write name. To stop. Okay, to stop. It is clear now children? Yes. So you write indications of lights according to their colors. Okay, now green light, yellow light says ready to go. Wait some time. Wait for some time. Yellow light. This is the yellow color. Okay, this circle you have to fill with the yellow color. Okay, yellow color. What you have to write here? 2. Okay, 2. To wait. To wait. Ready to go. To wait means ready to go. Okay, to wait. Okay, now red, yellow and green. Fill the circle with the green color. Okay, you have to use crayons or color pencils. Okay, what you have to write here? Okay, to go. To go. Okay, children, we write indications of lights according to the colors. We write names, meanings of lights according to their light. Okay. These colors. Okay, this side also you have to draw. It is your wish. Okay, you have to draw 2 times. You have to practice 2 times, children. Okay, it is very easy to draw, no? Yes, it is very easy to draw the traffic light. Okay, children, will you draw the traffic light? Yes, you have to draw traffic light 2 more times. Okay, children, bye. Take care. Have a good day.